There, a sea of snow. I think that's past my ankle. Yeah, way past my ankle. We are on a snowstorm warning. Not a watch, but a warning. And this is my road. We are expecting up to 10 inches. Right back until tomorrow. That's what's gonna happen. So this is it. All the way up. All the way. I'm going to the top of the road. This is just to show what is happening here. Serious for me. Yep, it's now temperature is 20, feels like 7, they says. So this is it. I am in the road. Let me get out. Oops. And the snow covers shoes. See, there it is. Covers it. That it is. Covers my shoes. So it's almost to my ankle. Yeah, there it is. It's almost ankle. So that's the situation here. A sea of snow. I am not going any further. I'm going back in, but I just want to show my people what is happening. See, right, all the way to my ankle, all the way. Actually, it passed my ankle. See? I think that's past my ankle. Yeah, way past my ankle there. Yeah, so it's above my ankle. So this is it, all the way up. I'm getting cold now. Yep. Just snow. There it is. It's just snow right across this area. That's my footstep there. Yeah, my hands getting cold. Ooh. Here, look at this. Yeah, that's the driveway. Son's vehicle. It's covered in snow. That's how it is. Snow is all the way. I am getting back inside. It's getting dark. So this is ice. Woo. So it seems as if we are going to be getting the 10 inches. It started this morning around about 4 a.m. and it continues. It never stops. So I'm going back inside. Look at this. Look at the trees. Oh my God. Yeah.